Welcome back. Till now we have covered properties of material. Second one is effect of chemical elements on various metals. From today we are going to start ASME ASTM materials. ASTM is American Society for Testing Materials and ASME is American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASTM has set of standard materials prefixed by A, B, and followed by the manufacturing process number with grade. For example, ASTM A516 grade 60. ASTM A is the prefix, 516 is the manufacturing process number, and grade is 60. What do ASME do? ASME recognize some materials from ASTM and they adapt. ASME adapt ASTM material without much changes. Most of the ASTM material without any change, exactly same to same identical, they have used in ASME. The only change ASME makes in number, ASME use prefix SA instead of A as in the ASTM standards. For example, ASME SA is the prefix. S stands for it is adapted, recognized and adopted material. SA 516 grade 60. Further, ASME has categorized ferrous material in ASME section 2 part A and non-ferrous material in ASME section 2 part B. We'll cover only section 2 part A of ASME, which is ferrous material. Most of the materials are manufactured with dual standards, ASME and ASTM both, and hence we can see the milled TC with both SA and A numbers meeting both ASME and ASTM requirements. Also marking on the material like plate or pipes, that is also dual, like for example ASME SA 106 grade B slash ASTM A 106 grade B. There are other several types of equivalent international standards like Japan JIS standard, India I standard, UK use BS standard, Denmark DIN, Europe countries EN, Australia AS/NZS, etc. I will try to compare these with ASME and ASTM material. I am going to cover in details of around 25 to 30 important materials which are used in oil and gas industries as well as pressure vessel manufacturers, etc., in which we'll cover scope of the specification, its reference standards, grades, mechanical properties, required tests, chemical properties, heat analysis and product analysis both, method of manufacturing. Also we'll cover the ordering information for purchasers, heat treatment, NDT, dimensions and its tolerances, as well as about workmanship. We'll also cover some important supplementary requirement also. I will try to cover one material per day starting tomorrow. If you find the content of my videos are useful, please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you very much.